Hi, I'm Derek Rodway. Today, I don't know if it gets much better than this. We're at a place called Hervey Bay, north of Brisbane in Queensland, and the water is phenomenal. The clarity is just unbelievable. The blueness doesn't get any bluer. The sand doesn't get any wider. We've got some bird life and we've got the place to ourselves. Perfect spot to test out this Anglapro Sniper 514 Pro. So let's have a look through the boat, talk about the features and benefits and why you'd want to own one of these if you're going to be doing some rough water stuff or some calm water stuff like this. This 514 Sniper's got some cool stuff in it. It's really well set up for a customer that wants to do all types of fishing, whether it's heading offshore, chasing either bait fishing or trolling lures, or working through estuaries or along reef edges where you're just flicking lures off the front casting deck. It's got everything. Let's start here with the motor guide, which is working really well at the moment. It's set on a pinpoint, so it's just spinning around, keeping me locked in a certain area. It's one of the big selling features of the motor guide, is just how accurate that pinpoint or anchor lock is in these models. This boat's been set up to do best of both worlds. We've got the front end of the boat really well set up for doing lure work, chasing through mangroves along the riverbanks, along a reef edge. The back of the boat we're set up for bait fishing. We've got an enclosed transom upgrade fitted to it. We've got the live bait tank, which is standard. We've got a room here for a second one, and obviously this fantastic big bait board. So if you're a mad keen fisherman but you want to do everything, you want to do your lure fishing, you want to do your bait fishing, this sort of setup is awesome. The Sniper series starts at a 424 and works its way right through into these 5 metre plus category. And when you get into this size here, it's just amazing how much internal room there is in the boat. I mean, it's a very wide beam, and obviously the length gives you plenty to work with. Fishing 4 guys out of this boat is just not a problem at all. As with the Pro series, we've got a side console with plenty of area there to be able to run anywhere up to a 12-inch screen if you really wanted to go to that level. Other standard features including the electronics package and keeper tank in the bow, plumb live baits hang on the transom here. All those sorts of things come together to make this boat really one of the best fishing packages available in the market today. But the key thing with Anglapro, they run that X4 construction, really aggressive ribbing structure that runs the full length of the boat. In the 514 they're using box section, so it's a very rigid hull, and it helps to be very effective in cutting through the chop when the wind gets up later in the day. Really worth you having a good look at the Sniper series. It doesn't matter what your budget is, we've got a Sniper package that's going to suit exactly what you're looking for.